G'day everyone, welcome back. It's the 6th of May, Monday the 6th, late at night. Everyone else is in bed. I'm inside at the moment doing a video. It's a bit cold in the shed to do video out there, so it'll come inside. So I'm just trying to be a little bit quieter. But anyway, in this video, I'm going to do a mixed bag of stuff, some carded stuff still, and some stuff that's already been cracked. The reason it's already been cracked is, my son got into the shed and decided to crack all my cars for me, which, wasn't a good idea, but he thought it was absolutely brilliant, and he was rapt with the idea of that, but I wasn't. So I've put a lock on the shed door now, so he can't get in there. But anyway, we'll work on that. Alright, so we've got some Hot Wheels and some Matchbox here. So we'll get started with these, the ones that are cracked already. What do we got? This is a 2016 Ram flatbed. This was a Matchbox. Try and get you a better look here. Try with that. Okay, so that's the 2016 Dodge. Tray back there. I think this is it's a good one. Apart from the black glass there, don't like that. But I guess base is black, tray's black, so they've just used black on the windows. But yeah, it looks alright otherwise. I like the idea of it being a tray. In the back you've got a bit of stuff, looks like a bit of chainsaw, and a bag, I think it is. Got toolboxes here. So yeah, pretty good. Alright. I'll stick that somewhere. Where will I stick that? Up there. Okay, next one. That's from that was Hot Wheels. See, that's an 720. Yeah. Or 620, I mean. Idiot, 620, should have known that. I like me Datsuns. Let's try and get a little bit of a bit hard. I'm trying to set this up again, but yeah, it's a little better. Sorry about that. Thought I might give you the turntable again instead of my my beautiful mug. I know a lot of you will miss seeing me, but it's all about the cars, I think. Not everyone can be as beautiful as me, but anyway, you can all try. Okay, so that's the Datsun. That was in a 5-pack, I think that was. I'm pretty sure. Okay. What's this? This was what, F-150, I think this is. 2009, yeah, 2009 F-150. That was, I can't remember what that was in actually, whether it was a 5-pack or not. Okay, so that's the Ford. Next we'll do, what do we got? This is a Matchbox. Just let me read the, God, I wish my eyes would work. 47.5 Chevy AD truck. Okay, there you go. So I think it says Jimmy's on the side of it, I think it says. I think I can read that bit, maybe. I could be wrong. You just look at it. You guys will work it out. Okay, yeah, nice looking truck. That was a matchbox. And that's one where I reckon the front end would have looked good if it was chromed. But I guess that'll be fine like that. You could always detail it later. Okay. Next one is what's this? I think it's a sandblaster. It's called. I'm pretty sure. But basically, I just class as a Ford really, because that's what it's based off, like a Ford sort of F-150, I think it is, crew cab type thing. Just done up as a Baja truck. So I still stick that with the Ford stuff. What have we got next? God, my eyes are getting bad. I really need glasses. Anyway, it's an El Camino. That I do know. Yeah, I think it was like 66 or 67 or something. Could be wrong. I think that's what I say on the base. Chrome base, so it makes it hard to see. These things I reckon are stupid because of that bloody motor they put in the back. I'd like to be able to cut the thing out. So cut it out and, I don't know, do something else in there, but be better without that. That's your El Camino. Nice green though. I like the green. Again, I think that was in a 5-pack, I think, because I never normally would buy that El Camino. So I think that was in the 5-pack. Hot Wheels. Okay, now we have 52 Chevy. It's a nice colour, that one. Nice looking one. That's that was from Hot Wheels. Okay, now I'm pretty sure I've done these once, but I'll just do it again anyway. That was the Little Red Express truck, Dodge. In the silver and blue, and don't like those wheels on it. I think who commented, someone commented, and yeah, same thing, not a big fan of the wheels. And that Dodge again, D100 in the sort of Baja truck. Alright, one little last one, which I can't remember again if I'd done it or not. Had a lot going on, so I can't remember everything. But Volkswagen Caddy or a Rabbit. I think it depends on where you were. I think whether it was a Rabbit or a Caddy. But anyway, nice green again. Okay, let's get rid of that one. Alright, next we've got Carded Car, which was, I think it was like their off-road series, I think. There's 6 cars in that. There was only 3. Yeah, only 3 that I wanted. So this is the Subaru Brat. So that's the Subaru Brat. That was 5 of 6, that one. It was part of a new one, so it was 2018 copyright date on that. Nice little red Subaru. Over here in Australia, that was called a Brumby. And Brat in America. And I think most other places was Brat. But Australia was Brumby. Subaru Brumby it was. Next one is Hot Wheels. Mazda Ripu. That was from Nightburners. 7 of 10. 138 of 250. That was a 2018 copyright date, and I'm assuming from a case. It was on a short card. So I would have picked that one up from Coles or Safeways. Or Woolworths, or whatever you want to call it, here in Australia. Hopefully everything's working out there, and you can see that colour quite good. I've got all the lights on here, so I'm not sure if that was a good thing or not. I'm in the kitchen at the moment. Alrighty, crack this next one open. It's a Chevy. Bit of a long video this, so I hope you don't mind. I guess the people that like watching my channel will like the video. This was a 67 C10 from Hot Wheels Flames. It was 9 of 10 and 176 of 250. It's a 2017 copyright date on that one. So yeah, good looking Chevy. Unfortunately, chrome interior, which I hate it. I really need to start customising some of these cars so I can get rid of these damn chrome interiors, since I complain about it so much. Alright, next one up is I don't know what they called the series. It's just the one with all the trucks on it. Oh, I think, was this? Nah, it's I've got no idea what it was called, but they're just all trucks, all utes and pickups. So this is a 49 Ford. There we go, 49 Ford F1. Not a great deal I can tell you about this. 2017 copyright date, so it's taking a little while to get here. There was 10 cars, or 10 utes, trucks, pickups, whatever you want to call them, in this set. I don't have them all yet. I'll get them eventually. Okay, but yeah, nice looking Ford there in a goldy metallic gold colour with white striping on it, or scallops or something. When they do it like that, I could be completely wrong. Okay, next one up is a Dodge, so I'll take that off and do this dodgy. Cool looking Dodge this. It's a 70 Dodge Power Wagon. yeah, not bad. I like that. Some real riders on it would be awesome, and bit of detail on this one. Lights up the top. You do some detail on the lights there, and yeah, some real riders on it. I think it'll look pretty good. Alright, last one of this pickup ute truck cracking video. It's a Studebaker Champ. There we go. So that's a 63 Studebaker Champ. Pretty cool looking car. That was the same thing of that lot, which had all those 40 Ford, 49, Path Beater, all those ones. Where are we? Can't get down there far enough. You just see that's as best you're going to get. Alright, that was that. End of this video. I hope you enjoyed. It was a 16 minutes. Sorry guys. But you may have enjoyed it anyway. But anyway, I don't know. Just watch it. Just watch it, like it, comment. And as normal, I do see your comments. There's a couple I haven't responded to yet, I think. But yeah, I do get around to it. I end up pretty busy. Plus I hate typing stuff. Even though there's auto text and stuff, I hate it. Anyway, I'd rather do a video and talk to you. Okay, so that's the end of that. I'll end the video here. Catch us all later. Bye.